So, welcome everybody. So this is a continuation of Living with Joy and Dying in Peace live webcast. So this particular session today is a part 2, Transcending Fear and Finding Hope. So this is as continue, and I wanted to just before we go into the teaching and practice, I want to just say a few words. As I've been traveling around the world, and every time I meet so many people, and many times people come up to me and they tell me that they have been following the live webcasts. Very often I meet people who have never met them. For the first time I meet them, and they come up and tell me that they have been following the live webcasts, and regardless of sometime very late, very early, in different time zones, they always follow this, and they follow the teaching and follow the practices, and how much it is helping them, benefiting them. So always when I hear that, it really makes me feel very happy, and it makes me feel that all the team that who's putting a lot of effort into it, it's worth. And so, and also made me think that I wanted to encourage everybody that who are following these live webcasts also to be a little bit more engage with us a little bit more in terms of the Cyber Sangha, the platform that exists for this webcast teachings, to be a little bit more participate on that, to share more experiences, personal experiences, and whatever you're learning, you're experiencing, challenges that you're facing. I think it's a great way to connect with people and share your own experiences with people. And if something that you feel like you're a little bit more familiar, you can also sometimes sharing these experiences will help other people to guide and to support. And so just some sense of a little bit more engaged as a by, instead of just being very isolated, you're just going into the once a month, going into the computer and doing the practices, not having much connection with anybody, but there's a opportunity to connect with the Cyber Sangha, so that you don't. I understand sometimes you cannot travel and all those things, but to connect with the Cyber Sangha, there's no obstacle. I think, and their connection with the Cyber Sangha, I think, in some sense, equally important. And I more and more, I think, we like it or not, we are in this internet age that everybody is constantly sharing experiences, and everybody is connecting with each other. For example, like a Facebook and all, everything. This just something that everybody. I know, like sometimes I meet people say that they hate it, they don't like this internet and the Facebook or something like that. But if you don't like the internet, you won't be watching today. So if you are watching today, you got to somehow got to like it, and then I think you can build a little bit more closer relationship with it in terms of connecting with each other. So basically, it's about, we are all trying to connect with each other in a different ways, sharing experiences, sharing teaching, trying to support with through moment of challenges. This is what we're trying to do. So all of you who follow very isolated way, I encourage more to come forward more and participate more, engage in a Cyber Sangha. So this is what I would like to let everybody know. And those of you who are watching the live webcast first time, I'm not sure if there's any, but if there are, you know, this is, we have been doing for the last couple of years, and there is quite a lot of information, teaching on YouTube, and also Ligmincha channel on YouTube, and also Ocean of Wisdom, a special, the website. Sometimes there are also subtitled in other languages. So there's ways you can watch them, which you have missed, and also some of previous ones webcasts, if you have missed, you can also watch them. They are recorded there, and then and hopefully you will not miss in the future webcasts. So if you're first time, this is all free, and many people are putting a lot of energy, time, every month, putting a lot of energy and time to make this happen. So this is 6 months ongoing webcast, and there, as you can see, the information, there's a free monthly live webcast, there's a discussion forum, recorded webcasts, download MP3 audio recordings. So these all are available, and then people do share a lot. These all are available on. You can go to the ligmincha.org or ligminchalearning.com, and so, and you can also see continuously in October, November, December, January till February, like every second Saturday of the month, we continue with this live webcast. So I encourage very much to follow and just continue, not to miss. And then also, particularly our Sangha members around the world, I always encourage all of you to use this live webcast as a platform to meet people, other people, practitioners, and friends, those who you share same values, same interests, spiritual interests. So there is a how you say, it's not a recorded, it's a live webcast, a little different. So it's a good excuse to say, okay, there's a live webcast, let's come together, have a lunch together, dinner together, go out together afterward. And it's just somehow a way of using this as a platform and making connection and supporting each other. And I do, time to time, put also this information on my Facebook page as Tenzin Wangyal Rinpoche. You can also sometime come there to, if sometime if you miss something, I quite frequently use that and also share my experiences of traveling experiences. And also, I know like sometimes I write these many poems and share in Facebook and WeChat, and people are, I don't know what he's talking about. But I think there are some Tibetans, Tibetans are reading it, and but of course, some point I hope to translate them in English and share with everybody. So just wait for some time.